Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new around here, hi, my name is Maaru and I make makeup and mental health related content here on YouTube. I am new to YouTube, so I would love it if you could please hit that subscribe button if you are new. As for today's video, we are going to be looking at this simple, effortless, beautiful brown smoky eye, and it is 5 minutes. It only takes 5 minutes to create both of these eyes. If this sounds like something that you'd be into, stick around, because this makeup look, you don't have to wear it with traditional attire. You can wear it with literally any outfit. So if you want to watch how I created this whole simple, effortless look, stick around, grab a hot drink, and let's go. As always, the first thing I do is moisturize and prime my face. So I'm doing that with my favorite Ole Henriksen moisturizer and of course the primer. Grab your favorite primer, favorite moisturizer, and let's moisturize some dry ass skin. This is skin preparation really is my most favorite part of makeup routine. Is that weird? Is there anyone else out there that feels the same? I love preparing skin. I enjoy preparing skin. It's my most favorite step of makeup application. So good. The next thing I am going to be doing is, of course, apply my eye primer. Now, eyeshadow primer is very crucial for this look because it is a dark smoky eye, and it's going to make sure that the eyeshadow lasts very long time. And so I highly, man, I'm using words, repeating them quite a lot in this video. I highly recommend you use an eyeshadow primer or base. The one I'm using is the one I've been using for the last few videos, which is the Crayolan transparent eyeshadow primer. I really like this. It doesn't add color to my skin. It doesn't add excessive moisture or oil to my eyelids, and that means that my eyeshadow will last longer than creamier products. So I have been very vocal about this in the past in my videos, why I prefer a non-creamy product. A gel-based eye primer is far better, I feel. Eye primer, they're definitely different to face primers. If you want another video on that, let me know. I'm quite happy to do so. The next thing we're going to do is the star of this eyeshadow look, and that is another one of the Mecca Cosmetica Zoom shadow stick. This is our secret weapon in creating a 5-minute smoky eye look. Not even kidding. 5 minutes. That's it. Or maybe even less. So all you gotta do, this is the matte shade and it's called the Expresso. It's a matte brown and it is a creamy texture. When you apply it on your eye, it will dry down into a matte finish, and it does not move. It does not budge, and there is a little bit of time where it's drying that you can use the brush to blend it out. So we are going to be doing one eye at a time. I'm going to go right in. I'm going to zoom you in. So I'm going to start with my left eye. I'm going to go right in to that. What's going to really help me is the fact that my eyelids naturally have brown color to them, and I'm going to actually for once use that to my advantage. I'm going to use the dark pigmentation on my eyelids to my advantage by blending it in. As always, I am going to be drawing up a little bit more than my crease. I'm going to draw a little bit above the crease so that I have enough product to blend out and smoke out. And quickly grab a blending brush like this one and go in swirling in. See how it magically just blends that shadow? It is a beautiful shadow. And you don't have to be so harsh with your eye area. This shadow actually blends very nicely. We're going to repeat the same thing to the other eye. My face is a little bit red because I'm filming back to back, and my poor face and skin, it is taking a toll. I'm going to be concealing now, and I'm going to be placing my concealer in my regular placement, that is my inner area and then outer area. I'm also quickly going to apply my foundation before I set my face, and I am going to be using Fenty Beauty. So July is the month that I'm trying not to buy new products, even if it's for my YouTube channel, for myself. And so I'm really focusing on using the same products I have, but creating content that's interesting and more informational than and educational than just, you know, reviewing and buying products. Just feel like if I am going to be focusing a little bit on sustainability, I don't know, just being sensible really. I need to make a conscious effort to cut down on purchases. So July is that month. I am trying my best to not do that. So I don't typically apply a lot of product. I just go in with whatever that's remaining, and I do my T-zones. I've already done my eyebrows, so I am quite happy with that. This is kind of it. And now I'm going to be doing my blush. Because it's a nice and easy look, I'm not really bothering with contouring or bronzing, but you can do those things if you want to. Some blush to add some color and shape into my face, and I'm quite happy. And recently I've noticed that I've lost a little bit of weight, and so I've noticed that like I'm getting a little bit of shape back in here, so I just can't be bothered adding bronzer and things. I'm going to be applying a little bit of powder blush on top. Just a very natural nude kind of blush. When you feel like you've applied too much blush or the blush has gone too far up, just grab your beauty blender that you've done your foundation, or your brush that you've done foundation on, and just pat it between the foundation and the blush, and it should be fine. There you go. I don't know if I need false lashes, to be honest. I think I quite like this. Okay, what I really want to know from you guys, and comment down below, how many of you do the top eyelashes like I did, and then you try to do the bottom eyelashes, and then you get some mascara stuck at the top while you're trying to do the bottom one? Me. And you know what? I've started doing the bottom first and then the top. It's been life-changing. The amount of earbuds I've saved myself. Wow. And now I'm trying to find my stick. Okay, I'm back with some lipstick and potu on and the rest of my face done, and that really is the complete look. How easy is this brown smoky eye, right? And you can wear this with literally any outfit. Doesn't have to be Indian or brown outfits. It can be literally anything, and it actually makes a beautiful makeup look, an easy effortless makeup look for night out, ball gowns, literally anything. And it's super easy, not even 5 minutes. Maybe the rest of the face might take longer, but it's so simple, so easy. So I hope you do get to go and try one of these babies out and create your own smoky eye. It doesn't have to be this color, it can be any color really, but I'm a big sucker for brown smoky eyes. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope that you get to recreate this using any other shadow stick you've got lying around maybe. And remember to enter the July monthly giveaway by liking this video, watching it to the very end, liking this video, leaving a comment, any kind of comment, and also subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And if you really want to show some extra support, and you don't have to do this at all, take a screenshot of this video and share it on your Instagram story. Remember to tag me so that I can personally thank you for it. This month's giveaway is the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival Excel Pro palette. It is a beautiful palette. Google it because I don't have it on me at the moment, or go to my previous video and you'll see it at the end of the video. It's a beautiful palette, great palette to get into if you're trying to get into makeup for the first time. It's a palette you must have, and all you gotta do is just do those things: like, comment, subscribe, and voila, you're in to win. I will see you very soon in another video. Have a great night, have a great evening, have a great day, whatever it may be. Things are going to be just fine. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.